up guys, it's me Jimmy a geek. So using Siri, to use Siri first you need to go to setting. Once you are at setting, and then just click Siri and click listen Siri. Personally I don't like, I just press home button for Siri. So now if I press this one, what is the weather today? Stupid. I love you. That's enough. I mean, it's very simple. Personally, I don't like turning the listen for Siri. I just feel paranoid that someone is listening. Why the hell I am listening to the male? So I should listen to a female, right? I love South African voice. Yeah, let's see again. I don't have a wife. Really? So yeah, that's how you Siri. Subscribe to my